warm water, olive oil, sugar, salt, and 5 minutes pizza crust yeast.
For step 1, we're going to pour our yeast and sugar into the warm water.
After letting your yeast sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, it should look foamy like this.
So next, you're going to add your salt and olive oil and give it a quick stir.
Next, you're going to make your flour into a valley. It will look like it's in the valley. Put a big hole in this, like this.
Next, you want to pour our yeast into the center. And stir it all together. Sprinkle your flour on the counter, then take your dough ball and roll it in the flour.
After you roll the dough in a ball, you want to roll it into a flour like this. Keep rolling it.
So now you want to press and flip until the dough has like a rubbery filling.
Now we rounded our crust, gave it a nice edge. You can do it however you want. You can do yours maybe you want. I don't care.
So now it's time to put on our pizza sauce and our toppings on the pizza.
We're gonna start with 2 scoops of pizza sauce. Make sure you don't get it on its edges. We're just gonna put it in the middle, like so. And we're just gonna spread it around. You don't wanna try not to get it on the edges. That's a crust.
Now we're going to add our cheese. Also, followed by our toppings. So now we have finished adding our toppings. We added cheese, pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives.
Now our secret to making the best pizza in the world, if you promise not to tell anybody, is Italian seasoning, garlic sea salt, and fresh made bacon.
So now we're going to put the pizza in the oven. To leave the pizza in the oven for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, our pizza is ready. As you can see, it came out completely perfect.
Thanks for watching Cooking with Aaron and Alex. Tune in next time for another great recipe. I'm going to take my first bite. This is delicious. This is really good.